Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WebinarFuel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your WebinarFuel account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to add an admin into your WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you probably work with a few different VAs or assistants, and you want them to help manage your webinar account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, here on the top right, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here in light gray, and you want to click on this button here called users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins and team members you have in your account. However, to add a new one, you're going to click on this orange button. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter in their name. All right, next you're going to go ahead and enter in their email. Make sure you enter their correct email because they're going to receive an invitation. And then here, this is really important. You need to select a role. So you can add them as a VA, a user, or an admin. If you need help defining between those, you can look right here. For today, I'm going to go ahead and add an admin into my WebinarFuel account. All right, once you have filled this out, go ahead and click on add. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I've added a new admin right here. So underneath their name, it says pending. So they're going to need to accept the invitation. Once they've accepted that invitation, they will be added into my WebinarFuel as an admin. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your WebinarFuel account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.